I've been asked whether or not it's easy for a foreigner to purchase real estate, land in Belize, and I can confirm that yes, it is. There's many reasons why it is easy for foreigners to purchase land here. One of the first being the fact that English common law is our basis of law, so a lot of the property laws that one may be familiar with around the world, in the English-speaking world, are very similar here in Belize, so that's one. Another reason why it's easy for foreigners to purchase land here in Belize, our official language is English, and all documents therefore are in English as well, including property titles and the results of any title searches. That certainly makes things easier, at least for English-speaking foreigners, to purchase land here in Belize. Property rights are also well respected in Belize. Our courts have consistently upheld private ownership of real property or land, and it is something that distinguishes ourselves here in Belize, or our legal system, our land titles, from some of our neighbors, which have, let's call it less than solid titles at times. Belize is also a country that's very stable as it relates to our economy and politics. We are vastly different than some of our Latin American neighbors that have had a lot of turmoil and bloodshed with regard to the transition of governments and governance, for that matter. We are extremely stable politically, and we've never had any bloodshed, any civil strife as it relates to the change of governments or political parties changing in this country. That is yet another reason why things are easy here for a foreigner to purchase. The stability, the predictability of our government and government system. Belize is a very welcoming culture, and that makes it easy for foreigners not only to buy here in Belize, but also to fit in and become comfortable, to make Belize their new home soon after arrival. So the welcoming Belizean culture is one thing that not only attracts a lot of foreigners to our country to relocate and invest, but also makes it very easy for those foreigners to invest in real property and buy land. A lot of investors, foreigners that are coming from North America or the British Isles, find Belize to be very comfortable and feels very similar to back home. This makes it easier for that type of foreigner, those nationalities, to invest here in Belize. And that goes along the lines of South Africans investing in this country as well. Again, another country whose foundation in law is English common law, something that Belize and South Africa share. So yet another reason why Belize is a relatively easy place for foreigners to invest and buy real property. So it's easy. However, there is also a lot of risk involved in an investment to the magnitude that real estate typically involves. You certainly would want to have licensed professionals representing your interest. When it relates to purchasing property, you would want to make sure that an attorney is conducting a comprehensive title search, that you're getting proper legal advice, legal review on any purchase and sale agreements or contracts that you're entering into, and also that any document to provide for legal transfer of title is prepared and drafted by an attorney at law. It's certainly a regulated industry here in Belize, the practice of law. But again, purchasing property for foreigners here in Belize is relatively easy and without restriction.